Welcome to Guangzhou Industry. Let me show you around.
We are based in Foshan, China's furniture capital, a source manufacturer of public seating for global projects. On the first floor is our hardware workshop, where stamping and automatic welding ensure strong, efficient production. The second floor is our warehouse, where we stock regular models to handle urgent orders quickly. The third floor houses both the sample room and upholstery section for smooth design-to-sample transitions. On the sixth floor are our offices and showroom. We warmly welcome every visiting client. Thanks for watching. Feel free to contact us for more cooperation opportunities.